First, you will need to power up your tester. Connect the power input plug into its socket, then power up the external power supply for function test, and last one, connect your PE probe for protective wire measurement. Then power up your tester. Connect your DUT into the socket. Our DUT will be this light. If your DUT don't have a plug cable, you can use high voltage connectors from behind. No safety equipment is required because this model is safety current limited. For main screen, we can go to menu, where we can see all the functions. First, we got remote option for remote control of your device via software or PLC. Second, we got editor option, where we can make complete test programs. Third one we have is a single test option. Here we can find a list of all tests that LG1A05B can do, like high voltage AC or DC, insulation test, protective wire test, function test, and much more. Then we have user setting, results of the measurements, and info for checking version of firmware, date of calibration, or serial number of the device. Last one is a setting, where you can set the remote controls, you can choose for multiple languages, and much more. Now let's get into the full test segment. In menu, you will press editor. Here you can choose new test program or existing one. I already prepared a test program of 4 tests. First step is high voltage test, where you will set up voltage, current, and test time. Next step is insulation, where you will also set up voltage, test time, and minimum resistance. Third step is protective wire test, where you will set up minimum current, test time, and range of resistance. Last step is function power test, where you can measure 3 values at once, which 2 of them will appear in graph. I choose real power, which should be around 20 watts, current, and input voltage. When we have all set up, we will go to main screen and start the test. Now we can see measuring of high voltage test, insulation test, protective wire test, which we start via PE probe, and last function power test, when we can see our DUT light up. At the end, we can go to the results and see the protocol of our measuring. Your protocols are saved in internal memory, but you can change it. Save it directly on USB or to your server via Ethernet connection. If you want to see more of our products, make sure to visit our website at spselectronic.com. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video.